Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a microscope that projects the image on a screen. I have made this microscope in just 50 rupees. Yeah, you have heard it right. So, to know how to make it, continue watching this video. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump into it. The materials that I used are on the screen. The laser pointer used here may damage your eyes, so do not shine it directly on your eyes. This is recommended for 10 plus kids. This is not recommended for research purposes. For this laser pointer, we need to continuously press the button. To fix this, I'm using a combination of ice cream sticks and rubber bands. Now it can be turned on for a long time. First we'll see wastewater. How does it look under a microscope? We will fill this in the syringe and push out a big drop of water. There we can see the drop. I'm using white cloth for the background. I have rested those flaps on two glasses. I have turned off lights so that you can see the particles properly. We have to shine the laser at the drop. We need some concentration and patience for this. I have used books to match the height. You can use anything else. And there we have the image of the tiny particles of water. When I blow some air on the drop, the particles move. There is a chain of particles. You can see it there. Now I have mixed soil to water. There are many more particles in these. That is awesome. We just made the cheapest microscope. This creates the image of the particles 20 times magnified. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my channel and share this video.